This video will show you how to complete a Reckon APS tax return. We'll start with the tools available to help review the return. We'll take a look at clearing validation errors and the optional completion process. Finally, we'll cover printing returns. The Return Review is one of the tool windows available on the Workspace Layout tab. To open it, click the Review button. The review shows each label on the tax return with the total value of data entry against it. The window can be docked or left to float like all other tool windows. It is also a navigation aid. As you double-click each line, the focus of the return shifts to that label. There is no print option on the tool window, however there is a printable version of this report available. A return cannot be lodged with the ATO until all validation errors are cleared. The validation window, available from the Workspace Layout tab and the Home tab of the ribbon, lists all outstanding validation errors. In addition to the standard ELS errors that must be cleared before the return can be lodged, Reckon APS Tax also tracks ELS warnings, Reckon errors, and Reckon warnings. Only ELS errors need to be cleared. ELS warnings, Reckon errors, and Reckon warnings will not stop lodgement of the tax return. However, they should be reviewed and cleared if necessary. Below the list of errors is a help window explaining the error and how to clear it. To the right are the labels related to that error. In some cases, the validation error can be cleared in the validation window by updating the labels. Some errors are a little more complex. In this case, it may be easier to use the Find and Go To tools to locate the labels that need to be updated. When all validation errors are clear, the summary will show a green tick and the return can be marked as complete. This is an optional process and only applicable if your practice has enabled it. Where completion is enabled, the completion button will appear on the Home tab of the ribbon. To mark a return as complete, click the Complete button. Reckon APS Tax will check the return and ensure it is correct. If the return passes all checks, it is marked as complete and made read-only. Reckon APS Tax will also issue a 4-digit lodgement code for the return. This code is used for version control and will be needed in the lodgement process. If the return needs to be edited again, click the Complete button again to uncomplete it. This will make the return editable again and will cancel the lodgement code. Click Complete to mark the return as read-only again and issue a new lodgement code. Tax returns can be printed by selecting the print icon from the Quick Access toolbar at the top of the screen or from the tax menu. Select the printer to send the return to and the print template to use. You can adjust the print order, number of copies, or print options before sending the job to the printer. Click OK to print, preview to print preview, or export to save the return as a PDF. The Print Documents command allows you to print individual elements of the tax return. Access it by selecting Print Documents from the Quick Access toolbar or from the tax menu. Tick the pages to print and select OK to send to a printer or preview to preview on screen.